way, Dotina streets or
That's the
whatsoever, you
reason.
expect dense drainage and they still back for
still-
support way. So just like what me brother they say now, so if we for they create space them for renovation, for improvements, for then certain things then they are because like, now based on the population we get first and shallow, then the drainage size there will get, I mean it's way too small. And the drainage size also is one point function and a function of the population of the city.
And imagine people and in a street, they sell markets.
Yes.
They drop trash in a street, inside gutter. But again, when they're talking about the problems, them, we need solutions there.
Solution? Is it something that has to do with country planning?
So now, la highlights one thing where I feel say, this is something where I don't think over and over, and it's something where I feel say people need for the implement, which is necessary. We call them rainwater harvesting. There's a question to this. Why, when will they get a season of rain of 8 good months? Can you imagine 8 good months? This is an idea we are always try for pitch. Why people need to dig reservoir, underground reservoir, and collect all the rainwater they from you and can go right down inside the reservoir. So at the end of the day, whether not 4 months the dry season you get, whether not 6 months the dry season you get, you will use that rainwater they do in the dry season.
There's this issue of people they just build anyhow. They build everywhere. So now, in a case where we all know say water has a pathway, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now, if you can't block that pathway, what does it have to do? It has 2 options. I mean, when we don't outrightly think of, it's either it get for free in original pathway, or it create the next best pathway for move. So now, me don't go build. Now a place who say after we engineers they don't go look the place, they don't go do the site visits and soil testing. Then deem it as a safe zone. It's safe. They don't build according to how the land is in that particular area, that particular zone there.
Mm-hmm.
Then somebody else don't go build us na a place where na a water pathway. So now heavy rain don't come. You don't talk say drainage system not okay and whatnot. So now the water don't try for force to that person house, but that person house they not move, not shake. So the water is next best option now for probably go through my own side.
Yeah, and go destroy.
So after me don't go through all the right processes, that water don't still go disturb me. So I'm still back. We still don't go join the loop.
Yeah.
So this is a disaster. This is
Exactly,
a concern.
yeah, exactly.
And
So
I think the major cause of that, as my brother be start, planning. We not get good urban planners. You see, initially, Nigeria, the capital was in Lagos. But due to way everybody want kind of Lagos. If you want like Freetown, everybody want kind of Freetown. The kind of was a Freetown land of opportunities. Yeah. Just like Lagos, everybody kind of Lagos say, okay, yes, me I want to make kind of Lagos. So the city was flooded. Not like say that be a bad thing, but like I mean, like when it comes to tourist attraction and other factors, like it was a concern. So what the government thought fit count investors there and they relocate the capital. Who said go to now? Abuja.
Okay, so they decentralize
Everything. And Abuja now for me build certain inside now the government and they give you
Permit.
you for build they give you a permit. Say now this type OCI you for build it. And if your money no match up or you know get that kind revenue there for build that kind particular, then
you don't lose.
There is no other option. Pass you just go for exit there.
So you see the reason why Western world like America, they don't get permanent residents. This is why they have temporary residents. Then they tell you for free, say this is not owned by you as a private property.
It's owned by the government.
By the
Of
government.
course, yeah.
Because at the end of the day, if you do anything with funny under, then get all the equipment there. They can issue us from the foundation, the ace and being, they move on.
I like that. So you host.
Yeah. So that's not the reason. And to be honest, like I say, the planning system is really poor. It poor totally in this country. Yeah. It poor. And the other thing is, people they know they focus too much in detail. This is another problem where they cause by building failure in this country. Timeline, people in the rush, the timeline.
Detailing in what way?
So now detailing in the aspect of, when did the design? we get architects with the design, we not concentrate too much into detail. Then just one gets the floor plan in 3D. That's all they need. But I go tell you for free, this is not architecture. Detail they explain this is something where they explain simple to anybody, because it's not only it's been written. There are something within the right that they tell you being say this na so this na so thing for the na this na so you dey fix them, na so you dey carry it na so you for assemble them. You understand? But you go na some host them where they meet how they fix railing being you know say this is not okay. So they need pay attention to detail, and again, then the construction not to something with the rush. Now make then go with the working schedule. We have timeline. If you run with the timeline, trust me, you're head for problem.
You know go they work under duress.
Yeah, because even floor, where you concrete floor, you get time for cure. Ask the engineer, go tell you down there. But people in the rush too much.
But then, if the client don't get a particular timeline and you, as the professional, no say this timeline not correct, it's easy. Just tell them this is not.
Simple.
So now I make enough professional for let the client get timeline.
No, now you forget timeline.
It's professional when the professionals then give the client a timeline, and then they have negotiation with the timeline.
Yeah.
Because there is always concessions and way they can do towards anything.
An adjustment.
You can tell me, say, I don't calculate exactly. Sometimes for do this day and 30 days it take. But then always they add concessions. Sometimes they add 8 days per tap.
Because they are unforeseen.
Problems.
Yeah. Thank you very much, guys, for this wonderful conversation. But before we wrap up the session, what's the message we want to get for we viewers there out there? Be it the clients, me one bill, or other professionals like yourselves.
So I just get 3 messages and I will make them very short. So first and first, not the mindset. I will really encourage possible clients them for more they try for change with mindset when it comes to building. I mean, allow the professional for advice rather you just impose. That's the first thing. The second thing, this is an advice also to the government. We get for the root enforcement and regulations and lay down principles and when it comes to building policies and all. So, I mean, there should be permits. I know it's there. I know it's there in the Constitution and all. But there is no enforcement to the law. And they say a law is as good as it is enforced. So, you see. So, and very lastly, I would like to encourage all possible clients, if you want below. So, I mean, of course, CAF Properties, we offer the best. Yes,
we are
the very best. So, we are a company made up of very young engineers and brilliant and vibrant engineers. So, this is my own advice, my own message.
Thank you very much, engineer.
Yes, you're welcome.
I think, maybe I don't say everything. One last thing we may go encourage possible clients and everybody out there. We want for do construction that you choose CAF Property because we have young professionals and very brilliant one in there. Of course, me as an architect and the engineer we see there, we are from CAF. So it's all said and everything is done.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. So if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. You want to make an inquiry, call us on the following numbers or visit us at our office at 35 Levermar Beach Road, Freetown. Until next time, bye.
Bye.
Gulf Properties, we're dreaming.